Welcome back sa ating online public school. Today, gagamitin natin yung algebra para mag-solve ng mga real-life problems. At itong mga problems na to, yung ating mga examples ngayon, ay mostly nag-involve ng change of something with respect to time. So, itong mga ito ay tinatawag natin na in a general sense, mga rates. Ready na ba kayo? Let's start. Okay, let's start with a very basic example. Walang gaanong masyadong pasikot-sikot. This is a very straightforward example. May isang tao na kailangan niya mag-travel ng 30 kilometers to meet his friend. Siguro siya ay taga Laguna, tapos yung kanyang friend ay nasa Alabang. How fast does he need to drive kung kailangan nilang mag-meet in the next 30 minutes? So, ang rate ay normally output na gusto natin, and it's equal to yung rate at which ginagawa ang isang bagay multiplied by time. Ganyan. Okay, so we have here a man and kailangan niya mag-travel ng distance na 30 kilometers. Okay. Ngayon, sa 30 kilometers na yan, kailangan marating na yan in 30 minutes. So, as you can see, diretso na, no? So, how fast does he need to drive? 30 kilometers in 30 minutes. Very straightforward. So, the speed na kailangan niya equals 30 km over 30 minutes. And that is equivalent to 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer per minute. And pag kinonvert natin yan into kilometers per hour, dahil kotse, so drive, so convert natin to kilometers per hour. So how many minutes in 1 hour? 60 minutes per hour. And the minutes cancel out, so equals 60 kilometers per hour. So, kailangan niya mag-drive ng 60 kilometers per hour. Now, straightforward, wala tayong gaano pasikot-sikot, but take note that this comes in the form of, speed. Sabihin natin, gawin natin yung speed na yan, ang kanyang symbol, gawin natin velocity, letter V. Is equal to distance over time. So, nagbago yung distance divided by or with respect to time. So, kung mas mahaba yung distance na binago niya with respect to time, so mas mabilis yung kanyang velocity. Kung mas mahabang time ang kinabot niya para to get that distance, so mas mababa yung kanyang velocity. So, this general equation applies, So, in another form, that should be distance equals velocity times time. So, distance, velocity, or yung ginamit natin ditong word ay speed. And of course, time, is time is time. Seconds, minutes, hours. Okay. Very clear? Very clear. So, the man needs to speed up 60 kilometers per hour on average para magkita sila ng kanyang friend na nasa 30 kilometers away, magkikita sila ng within 30 minutes. Let's do another one. Merong isang stove. Kaya niya mag-boil ng 1 liter of water in 6 minutes. Kung kailangan kong mag-boil ng 2.5 liters of water, gaano ko katagal bago antayin kumulo yung aking 2.5 liters of water. So, yung kanyang rate is equal to 1 liter of water per 6 minutes. Yan yung kanyang gaano siya kabilis magpakulo, At maximum power na ng stove. Okay? Dumagdag ako ng number of liters to boil. Naging 2.5 liters. So, gaano ko katagal gagawin. So again, yung ating general equation na na-present kanina is output equals rate times time. So ano yung ating output? Output natin is 2.5 liters of water. So this is 2.5. And then yung rate natin is 1/6. At yung hinahanap is time t. So t equals 2.5 times 6, which is 15 minutes. So, kailangan ko na ngayon ng 15 minutes para maboil yung 2.5 liters of water. Now, take note, now we are now using an algebraic equation in one variable. Ano yung variable natin na ginamit? The variable, the letter t. T stands for time, and time is 15 minutes. So, equation in one variable. Napakadali, ano? So, isa-isang araw, ang baka daw ay makakain siya ng 5 square meters na patch of grass. So, how long bago niya maubos yung 100 square meter na grass area? So, we use, now, let's do it more properly this time. Let R be the rate of eating of the cow, and that is equal to 5 square meters per day of grassland. And let's say let the output, no, is that 100 square meter area. So let's say let area equals the total area available for the cow to eat. And that is equal to 100 meters squared. And then let t be time. So, pero hinahanap natin siya ngayon. So, find time t to finish the 100 square meters. So, again, balik tayo dun sa original equation natin. Output is equal to, so ganun nga, output is equal to rate times time. Right? So, A, output natin is A. A is equal to RT this time. And we know that A is equal to 100 is equal to 5 times time, and time therefore is equal to 20 days. So, it will take 20 days para maubos ni Cow yung 100 square meters na patch of grassland. Clear? Very clear. Dali. Walang kahirap-hirap. A coffee grinder can grind 200 grams of coffee beans in 2 minutes. Let rate equals 200 grams of coffee in 2 minutes. So that is equivalent to 100 grams per minute. On total na weight na gagawin ko ay dapat 2 kilograms. So, total weight equals 2 kg. Find time. So, W is equal to rate times time. We know that this is 2 kg equals rate, which is 100 grams. Ngayon, grams ito. Kilograms ito. So, we will change 100 gram is equal actually to 0.1, 0.1 kg per minute. And we use 0.1 instead, 0.1 times time t. And t therefore equals to 20 minutes. Okay? So that's it for now, and see you soon.